welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're gonna do some skincare detox because I've been getting some breakouts and I need to take care of my skin. So let's go ahead and get started on how I do this. First, you're gonna use a cleanser. I use this scrub. It's the Shea Moisture Exfoliating Face Wash. Now this one is a gel that does not suds up, so I just use it on my skin and I use a tool for this. If you are using a face wash that actually suds up, make sure you do it first and then put it on your face. And I'm using my muslin cloth. I love using this when I'm getting breakouts. I know my brush is not that rough on my skin, but this just felt a lot more gentle on the skin, so it's great to use with a face scrub. Now guys, I'm speeding this, but so I wanted to let you guys know that I am not vigorously scrubbing my face. I'm actually doing this pretty gently, so don't be too harsh on your face. I use a part of the muslin cloth that has no face wash on it just to go and exfoliate my lips, so this way it helps with blood flow and it helps my lips look a lot better. And this is the result after I rinse out my face. We're gonna move on to actually using some detoxing tool. So guys, you're gonna need a few tools like spatula, steamer, face, the razor. I'm also getting my aloe vera gel. The steamer, I love it because it's so easy to use. First, you guys see me do this before, is steam my face. So we're gonna do a couple of little different things today. First thing I did was steam my face for about 15 minutes, and then I went and I shaved my face. Now I'm steaming it as I'm shaving it because I realized this works so well, and with those little inflammation acnes I have, this is gonna work so well to help calm them down and get my face to actually shave a lot smoother without adding any products to it. So I don't have to add anything. Just the steam helps me clean my face and shave it without any issues. And I'm gonna go around my entire face, guys, and do this because I just want to make sure all the fuzz it is off my face and that I have all the areas shaved. And of course, remember guys, whenever you're shaving your face, if you have breakouts like I have quite a bit of them around my face right now, make sure to avoid those breakouts and shave around them, so that way you don't end up causing even more issues for your skin until you get your entire face shaved. Now I'm gonna go in after I steam my face for a little bit is do my eyebrows. If you guys saw on my vlogging videos, I have this fun new little tool now that I use to actually shave my eyebrows. This tool is magic. Pain-free eyebrows are shaved. I can go in and shape my eyebrows without any issues. It works so well. And steaming my eyebrows before I do this shaving has helped so well to get a much better result. And of course, I steam it in between. Every time I feel like my face is calming down, it's getting to a point where my pores are closing up on me, I steam it to get them to open up. And this is the end result, guys. Everything's shaved. Now we're gonna move on with the spatula. Now, as I'm doing this with the spatula, I'm actually steaming my face as I go. I'm leaving the steam on. Again, it helps to open up my pores, but I also see how much gunk, just debris and dirt and grime it helps to take out of my skin with the spatula. Because my pores are so open now, it can do a much better job at cleaning out my skin and cleaning out my pores, which again I need, guys. If you look at my face, I have these little inflammation acne. So if you guys see my face is turning all red, that's definitely part of using this spatula. You've seen me do this a couple of times. It doesn't hurt, it's just a blood flow, which to me in a good way. So if you guys seen the way I do this, it truly helps detox my face. It doesn't hurt. And the last part is definitely my nose. I always save that for last because you guys can see how much grime is actually coming out of my nose. Again, guys, don't put crazy pressure on. And the last thing I do with this is I actually go for the detox is I use this little tool to actually go get the tougher little spots. There are a few spots that are just stubborn, and I need to use this little tool to take some of these little whiteheads out. And lastly, if you want to be extra picky like me, go in with a little tweezer and just take out, I usually have this one to couple of hair strands that are just not gonna go because I don't have the patience with the other shaving tool, and I just go and pluck those out. It's usually no more than 5 pieces, and I finish off just to make sure I take out any of these little stubborn spot with my little tool. I go ahead and purge those little acnes out. And last, I will go in. This is a mixture of water, purified water, and tea tree oil actually, because this helps to clean all the gunk, all the detox I just took out of my pores, and I wipe my face down completely. And I do this twice. And last, we're gonna go in with this aloe gel, guys. This aloe gel, not only it helps to moisturize my face, but all the shaving, all the detox I just did, my skin is raw, it's sensitive, and if I do happen to have any cuts or bruises on my face, this is going to help take care of it. And I sit for about a good minute and massage this all over my face and neck. And after I do that, I'm gonna actually use a little massage tool. If you've seen my Instagram, I've actually showed you guys, this is one of my new little tools that I have. And I just go around. This is more to massage the aloe vera in. I'm not doing a facial massage, so you'll see me go all around my face, just massaging the aloe vera in there to make sure that it's soaking up. It's not just sitting on top of my skin until I have everything go in. Usually this is about a 5-minute massage, nothing too long, to make sure that it's all soaked into my skin. And then we're going to go in with a sheet mask. Now I'm using my collagen sheet mask. You guys can use whatever moisturizing sheet mask that you want to, and just add that on. And I go in and make sure that it's all around my face covered, and I have that sheet mask moisture soaking in. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and grab my little massaging tool. Again, this is another just facial massaging tool. I massage this in for about 10-15 minutes. Nothing too long. I just want to make sure this is going in. This is super massaging my face. It's moisturizing. I just massage it to make sure that this soaks in, that my whole face is getting a good, not only massage for some good blood flow, but as well as all that moisture is soaking in. It's not just evaporating in the air, and I'm getting the best use out of that sheet mask for that about 10 to 15 minute massaging. And guys, after that's done, 20 minutes go by, so another extra 5 minutes. This is the result, me taking this sheet mask off, and I'm gonna apply some lip oil to my lips. This is my Neutrogena lip oil, guys, I'm using again. And I go in for one last little 1-minute massage just to make sure that excess serum that's sitting on top of my skin is soaked in as well into my face. And that's it. So this is my little routine I'm using right now to help get my skin back on track. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel. Click the little notification bell so you know when I have new videos out. And don't forget to leave all of your comments down below and go over and watch my last video.